Hello everyone, so in this part we're just going to show you very quickly the difference in the way the colour appears depending on which medium you use to apply the colour. We're going to try first with a brush. We're going to apply the same colour using a sponge, and we're finally going to apply the same colour using a spray gun or a small airbrush, and that will show you the difference in the three different ways of application and how the colour appears slightly differently even when you use the exact same colour but just a slightly different method of application. And here we'll go slightly first with the brush, and you'll notice so we've put a fair bit of colour there with the brush, and we're now going to go and apply the same colour using a sponge, and there we are, and we are trying to dab around it a little bit, and we're now going to go ahead and just apply some using our airbrush. So there we are, those are our three different ways of application, and we're now finally going to dry it just to see how the colour shows up. Right, so now that we've dried it, I think we could dry this one a little bit more, but I think even just looking at it, I know that the way it's going to dry is going to be a little bit darker as it dries, and that's purely because of the amount of colour that's been applied. And that is what we're trying to show here, that when you mix the colour, bear this in mind, that if you're going to spray the colour, you will have to mix the colour accordingly, and you'd have to test using a sponge or using an airbrush. So if you're going to spray, test the colour by spraying the colour, and otherwise by brushing or by sponging. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.